Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful way to search specifically for presentation and spreadsheet files on Dropbox using the updated app. Whether you're looking for that important slideshow or an essential Excel sheet, this method will help you find exactly what you need quickly and efficiently. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your stored files. Once you're inside, look toward the top of the screen for the search bar. This is where your file-finding journey begins. Tap on the search bar to activate it, and you'll notice a row of icons or options just below or beside it. Among these icons is the filter feature, often labeled as the type filter, or represented by a small funnel symbol. Tap on this filter icon to open a menu with different file types you can choose from. Here, you'll want to select presentations as the file type. This option covers all presentation-related files like PowerPoint slides, Google Slides, and even Keynote documents. But what about spreadsheets? Depending on your Dropbox app version, you might see a combined filter option for spreadsheet and presentation files, or you can switch between them by selecting spreadsheets separately, relating to Excel files, Google Sheets, and compatible formats. After selecting the correct file type filter, simply enter your search term or keyword related to the document you're looking for. This could be the name of a project, a client, or any relevant term connected to your presentations or spreadsheets. Tap Search, and the app will show only the files matching your criteria and filtered by the file type you selected. With your filtered results displayed, you can scroll through and quickly locate the file you need. Tap to open it and get straight to work without the frustration of digging through unrelated documents. This updated search method in Dropbox streamlines your workflow by narrowing down search results to just presentations or spreadsheets, saving you time and effort. Give it a try next time you're hunting for that specific file, and you'll see just how much easier managing your documents can be. Thanks for watching.